Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows version because the controls differ. Once done, unlock the taskbar and make sure multi-monitor is set how you want it. Then open Settings, go to Personalization, and navigate to Taskbar or Taskbar Behaviors. You begin rotating immediately. Try dragging the bar to an edge if allowed, or prepare to change the location drop-down. Make sure to save changes and note that admin access is sometimes required for registry edits. You now perform the core action. In Windows 11, open Taskbar Behaviors and select the taskbar alignment or location. Choose left, right, top, or bottom. If your OS allows, unlock and drag the bar to a new screen side. This is quick and tactile. For systems that block moves, carefully edit the registry keys controlling taskbar position, then sign out and sign in. Make sure to export the registry key first, because that backup lets you restore if something goes wrong. You finish by applying and verifying the change. Once you save settings or update the registry, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in so the new position loads. Check icon spacing and alignment. If items look off, toggle Auto Hide or restart Explorer again to force a layout refresh. If something goes wrong, restore the exported registry file or U-System Restore. Remember to keep a backup before major edits. This single tip prevents most headaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.